Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove border from third page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document with some page and page borders. Now we zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we want to remove border from third page. Click the first page and go to the layout menu. Then click breaks option and select the next page. Then apply this process some page. Then click the third page and go to the design menu. Click the page border option, select none and select this section on apply to drop down menu. Then finally click OK. Now we can see we removed border from third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.